Doing a little video on my 99 GMC Sierra. The rotten frame. Good tires, rims. Frame's rotten. Got it from somebody I know. Its main life was snow removal. But I think the main reason it rotted out so bad. See that? See that crap right there? It's rubberized undercoating. That's what rotted it out, I'm pretty sure. Salt, chemicals in Minnesota doesn't help. But that really doesn't help. And this thing is rotten. It's cracked right here. Somebody's already ran some angle. But I don't know if that rotted out afterwards, after putting this angle in, or before and they're just being lazy. Other side's worse. Ooh, it's stuck on rust. So you can see down that frame rail. I already did a little fix last night just to keep the damn box off the cab. Looks like goober welds, but I got a flux core and I went over it about 6 times. Did look nice at first, but I don't care about nice. I just care about holding. As long as it holds. I mean, this thing is bad. The truck only has 101,000 miles on it. There's some other patch jobs. At least you put a strap around that one. Rocker's gone. Haven't had a tetanus shot for a while either, so I better be careful. Doesn't look bad up top. Well, I'll do another video once I get done, see what happens.